Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you with us today as we dive into the world of top-selling products. In this countdown, we'll be exploring the best-selling knitting and crochet notions available on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, you're in for a treat. These tools are designed to elevate your crafting experience, making every project more enjoyable and efficient. So without further ado, let's jump right into our countdown and discover which products have earned their place at the top of the charts. Number 5 on our list of top-selling knitting and crochet notions is a game changer for every yarn enthusiast. Introducing the Boy Interlocking Needlepoint Knitting and Crochet Blocking Boards. Let's dive into why these versatile boards are a must-have in your crafting toolkit. Imagine having a set of 4 interlocking boards, each measuring a generous 12 inches by 12 inches, ready to transform your crafting experience. These boards are not just any ordinary mats. They are meticulously designed with grid lines that ensure every stitch aligns perfectly, every pattern comes out as envisioned, and every project turns out with professional precision. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, the Boy blocking boards cater to all skill levels. The grid lines guide you through the process, making it simple to block your projects to the exact measurements you need. Use them individually for smaller, quick projects or join all 4 together to tackle larger, more intricate designs. The choice is yours and the possibilities are endless. But wait, there's more. These boards are incredibly versatile. Use them for wet blocking to set your yarn's shape and stitch definition, or lay your projects out to dry with ease. They're the perfect tool to help your creations look their absolute best, whether you're working on delicate needlepoint or cozy knitted blankets. With the Boy Interlocking Blocking Boards, you're not just investing in tools, you're investing in the quality and precision of your craft. Make every project a masterpiece, one stitch at a time. At number 4 in our top 5 countdown of best-selling knitting and crochet notions is the KnitIQ Blocking Mats for knitting and crochet projects, an indispensable upgrade for your crafting arsenal. Picture this: you've mastered the art of knitting and crochet, and now it's time to take your skills to the next level. Enter the KnitIQ Blocking Mats, a game changer designed for those ambitious projects like shawls, ponchos, and intricate lacework. This pack of 9 extra thick blocking boards is crafted to seamlessly integrate with your existing KnitIQ set, offering unparalleled flexibility and precision. Each mat in this set of 9 is a marvel of engineering, with grid lines that align flawlessly with your previous KnitIQ mats. You can ensure that every edge and corner of your project is perfectly square and proportioned. The modular design allows you to configure these mats in various layouts, accommodating everything from delicate lace to cozy blankets, or even those long scarves and hand-knit socks. But that's not all. This set comes complete with 150 rust-proof T-pins housed in a stylish, durable artisan tin. The pins are slender yet robust, crafted from stainless steel to resist rust and ensure longevity. Their sharp points make them perfect for securing your projects without causing damage, allowing you to steam block your creations to absolute perfection, whether you're adding to your KnitIQ collection or starting fresh. These blocking mats and pins are essential tools for any serious crafter. Elevate your projects, enhance your precision, and achieve professional results every time. At number 3, in our countdown of top-selling knitting and crochet notions, we proudly present the 11.8 inches crochet blocking board with 20 pins and pegs, a true gem for every crochet enthusiast. Imagine working with a blocking board crafted from high-quality bamboo and pine wood, measuring a versatile 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches. This is not just a board, it's a tool designed with precision and care. Perfectly suited for both novices and seasoned crafters, it boasts 529 strategically placed holes arranged in 23 rows, This thoughtful design ensures that every project, from intricate granny squares to delicate knit pieces, is blocked with impeccable accuracy. Each purchase includes 20 stainless steel pins, each 5 inches long, perfectly fitting into the board's holes. The pins are not just functional, they're engineered for ease of use with chamfered edges that glide effortlessly into place. Say goodbye to flimsy foam boards that wear out over time. This sturdy bamboo board promises durability and long-term value, making it a smart investment for your crafting toolkit. But the benefits don't stop at functionality. This board is as beautiful as it is practical, making it an ideal gift for knitting and crochet enthusiasts, whether it's for a loved one or a delightful treat for yourself. It's perfect for small blocking projects and adds a touch of elegance to any crafting space. And we stand by our product with confidence. With a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, you can craft with peace of mind knowing that any issues will be resolved swiftly. Transform your knitting and crochet projects with this indispensable tool where functionality meets style and every stitch is a step towards perfection. Are you loving our countdown of the top-selling knitting and crochet notions on Amazon? If so, give a big yarn of approval by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you don't miss any more crafty content. Number 2 on our countdown of top-selling knitting and crochet notions is the FIVEIZERO 229 pieces stitch marker set, a versatile and essential tool for every fiber artist. Imagine having at your fingertips a collection of 220 locking stitch markers, crafted from durable plastic. These markers are not only resilient, resisting breakage and fading, but are also designed for long-term use, ensuring they remain a reliable companion throughout your crafting journey. Included in this set are 15 large-eye blunt sewing needles, comprising 9 metal and 6 plastic needles, perfect for all your sewing needs. But this set is more than just functional. It's also a splash of color and convenience, featuring 15 vibrant candy-colored markers. It adds a touch of joy and playfulness to your projects. The assortment of bright hues ensures that you can easily differentiate between your markers, enhancing your crafting efficiency. And let's not forget the thoughtful inclusion of a storage box and needle bottle, ideal for keeping your tools organized and easily accessible, whether you're at home or on the go. These markers aren't just pretty, they're practical too. Use them to mark the beginning and end of pattern stitches or to keep track of increases and decreases in your work. Whether you're knitting, weaving, crocheting, or working on any craft project, these stitch markers are designed to be your perfect assistant. And here's the cherry on top. The FIVEIZERO commitment to quality doesn't end with the product. Their dedicated customer service team is always ready to assist, ensuring that your experience is as satisfying as possible. Elevate your crafting with the FIVEIZERO Stitch Markers Set, a blend of functionality, fun, and exceptional service. Your projects deserve the best, and this set delivers exactly that. And now, at number 1 in our countdown of the top-selling knitting and crochet notions on Amazon, we present the ultimate essential for every crafter, the 150 pieces knitting crochet locking stitch marker set. Imagine having a treasure trove of 150 plastic stitch markers bursting with vibrant colors, 10 hues with 15 pieces of each, delivered straight to your craft space. Each marker is crafted from durable plastic designed with precision to hook securely into your stitches without slipping out, ensuring you never miss a beat in your project. These markers are perfectly sized at approximately 22 x 10 millimeters, striking a balance between visibility and convenience. They're ideal for marking the beginning and end of pattern stitches or keeping track of increases and decreases. Whether you're knitting, crocheting, weaving, or even diving into DIY arts and crafts, these stitch markers offer unmatched reliability without snagging your work. The practical design continues with the included storage box, featuring 10 separate compartments. This thoughtful organization allows you to easily separate and access your markers by color, making it simple to stay organized and efficient. The compact size of the box fits effortlessly into your crochet accessories kit or knitting supplies bag, keeping your tools neatly in place and ready for action. Elevate your crafting experience with this indispensable set, where vibrant colors meet impeccable functionality. The 150 pieces knitting crochet locking stitch markers set is not just a purchase, it's an investment in a smoother, more enjoyable crafting journey. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling knitting and crochet notions on Amazon. To keep up with all the top picks, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.